Welcome back. My name is Jackie.
I'm Jocelyn.
Today we're going to be doing the Fluffy Unicorn Slime.
Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Keep watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Without further ado,
let's get on with this video.
So you can also get these little containers and you can put some slime in here to give them to your friends or your teachers. Maybe adults don't like them, but you can give them to your friends. And they're really tiny. You can make sure to put the lid on because, you know, slime, it dries out.
So now we're going to get our bowls.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to use the glue, little glue. Get your own glue over here.
We're going to pour half on an hour.
Yeah, so she's pouring half and half, and I'm just going to hold it. Okay. This sounds like it farted. Wow, these little things have a lot of glue in them, actually.
I think that's going to be enough. Let me just pour a little bit in. I'm going to pour everything on this one.
These actually have a lot of glue. Wow. Put this right there.
I'm going to try to get all of it in.
I'm going to do purple.
Okay. Okay, I think that's...
Yeah. Oh, God. Okay, there we go. I'm going to mix it with my spatula.
Okay.
Whoa! That's cool. It looks cool.
This one.
Oh. Ew, mine's turning into a light purple.
Yeah, that's enough. Okay, and I'm gonna
glue
two. I'm gonna do 2 drops. 1 and 2. Okay.
I'm gonna wait for her. Look at this consistency.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do the green. 1 and 2. There you go. Okay. Oops. And now I'm gonna mix them. Let's see. Ooh, this is a beautiful color. I like blue. It's a beautiful color.
Ooh, it's pretty.
I know, right?
Whoa, it looks dark. Mine's light. Purple.
So you want to get it all in there. So it got like a little bit dark, so I'm going to add a little bit of glue. Because I want it to be like baby blue color. So a little bit.
I love this consistency.
I think that's it.
Purple.
Don't
you added more.
Okay.
Because it was dark.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh yeah, it's turning away.
Oh, yeah, it's getting lighter. There we go.
Comment down below what's your favorite color.
Yeah. My favorite color is, I have a lot actually. I like purple, pink.
I like light colors.
Yeah, me too. I also like white. I don't know why.
Okay, and then I'm gonna be doing the green one. Okay. Who's the
Yeah.
It's like Mr. Grinch.
Yeah. And I like the green. It's a really light color.
Okay.
Ooh, I like her colors.
I like this baby.
The blue. Yeah, it's
Pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's a light color.
Now we're going to be putting in our activator, and our activator is stapler.
Don't add like a lot.
Don't add a lot to it, or else it'll get really hard. A little bit. I'm scared I'm going to pour.
Yeah, that's good.
I'll add more if I need more. Whoa. Okay. Oh, this is coming together. I want to get everything off the wall. Or, not the wall, but
The plate?
the bowl. The bowl, yeah.
Where's the can you give me the top, please?
Yeah, here you go. Thank you. Now I think I added too much. Yikes. Oh, now we're going to mix it in. I feel like her slime is going to be super pretty now. I'm getting jealous.
Okay, so our my slime is coming together quickly.
Should I use my hands to mix it?
So you want to make sure you get it all from the bottom so you can have more.
Okay, so now we're mixing our slime so they can come together.
Justin, what do you call that's not your cheese?
I don't know.
Nacho cheese because it says nacho.
You mean nachos?
Nacho.
Oh, I get it. First I didn't get it at all.
I'm really bad at funny jokes. Okay, so keep mixing. See? Try to get all
I love this green color.
I love this baby blue color.
This brilliant blue.
See, now it's coming together. Try to get all of it, most I can.
Sorry, I'm sick, but I'm trying to get through this video. Oh, God.
I'm gonna do it with my feet. It's noodly, kinda. Well, it's gonna come together.
Yeah, like mine.
Try to get all in it.
I'm so excited to add in the shaving cream.
I'll make it more fluffy. I like the sound of that. Good. On the sides right there.
Whoa.
Okay, there you go.
Hers is sticking to her arms well. I mean, hands. So we're gonna add in the shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
So it
You
can
wanna go
become
first?
fluffy. Yeah.
Okay, I thought I had some.
Come
now.
Mix it.
I'm not gonna add too much. Oh, it feels so good. I just want to squeeze it right now.
Squeeze it. Go for it, girl. Okay.
Here comes the results.
It'll probably get really noodly like mine right now.
Oh, it's coming fluffy. Oh my god, it's so noodly.
It feels so good in your hands.
It is.
Yours is probably gonna become lighter because the shaving cream is white. I thought the shaving cream was gonna be more like pinkish instead of white because the bottle is pink. I mean,
Okay, now it's coming in fluffy. It's so fluffy.
mine's still covered in fluffiness.
So are my hands. Trying to get the most from the bottom.
Hers sounds so good. Hers probably better than mine. Oh, you can get so much shaving cream. Mine actually does. Here, I'm trying to get it all in. Get it from the side. First, when you put the shaving cream in, it'll start to get everything so noodly. But as long as you put it in, I'm gonna be adding some shaving cream here. If you were a candle, I'll blow you away. I mean, the fire of the candle does. Slime, it's baby blue. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was like I like how it gets noodly. All you have to do is start pumping it and smashing it like this. Sound though. I like those. I wish we can get like those gallons of glue and then make a big glue. I mean big slime, and then we can use those and stretch it and we can make it big. It'll be so good. I hate when it breaks. I know. Sorry guys, but as you can hear, we're all sick in here. I just hate being sick because I can't eat ice cream.
Basically, everyone like in my school has the flu like last month, I think. I don't know.
Can't hear it in the thing. I like it. We have another brother, but he always likes to be behind the camera. He just doesn't like to get seen. He's a potato couch.
Sometimes you look like a potato.
Ooh,
those are big ones.
look like a chicken nuggets. Thank you. Here. Ooh. They're a little bit hard. I know, it's stiff.
I love.
So, as you can see, our little brother is helping us. You
Wait.
can see his little hands.
Wait. Oh, I have to crunch over it.
So, we're going to move on to our next step, which is making a frappuccino. A frap. And yeah.
Surprise! This is our unicorn frappe.
We got, we printed these out. And they're so cute. I love the unicorn.
We decorated it a little bit. So.
Yeah.
And you can get these tiaras, and Amazon. They're really cheap, so you can get them too.
Ooh, I love the texture.
Mm-hmm.
Look inside. Look inside. It's so pretty to me.
I love the color of it.
know.
It's really pretty and I really love it.
I love the texture of this slime.
It tastes real good.
It really is. Oh. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. And comment down below what should we do on our next video.
Yay! You can make this at home. It's really fun and you will love it too.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and make this slime at home. It's actually super fun, and when you add the shaving cream, add a lot to make it super fluffy.
Perfect.
I love fluffy stuff. I love fluffy stuff. I don't know why.
Make it fluffy. Real fluffy. Like real fluffy.
Fluffy!
Okay guys, so we're gonna be trying to upload every Sunday, so because we're trying. Bye!